Good morning, 8th standard. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to do first poem of your textbook, Water Dance. Water Dance, which is written by Thomas Locker. Water Dance, which is written by Thomas Locker. Right now, in this textbook, you can see the activity 1. Now, this painting, jo hai, it is made by Kanu Patel. Right, he has given us a vivid description of the elements of a gentle mountain pond to a raging waterfall. That means he has given us the vivid description of water, right? But this poem is written by Thomas Locker. Okay, I'll move towards the poem. Activity 2, right? Part 1, Water Dance. I'll read stanza wise and I'll explain you stanza wise. Okay, I'll read the poem stanza wise and I'll explain you stanza wise. Some people say that I am one thing, others say that I am many. Some people say I am one thing, others say that I am many. Ever since the world began, I have been moving in an endless circle. Sometimes I fall from the sky, I am the rain. Now here in this poem, this water dance, right, here the writer, here the poet. Who is the poet? Poet is Thomas Locker. He is telling us that he is telling us about the word water which exists. He is talking about water. Water exists in many forms. है ना, बहुत forms में होता है ना water. Water exists in many forms like rain, mountain stream, waterfall, lake, river, sea, mist, clouds, etc. There are many forms of water, right? As we know that water is very important and no life can exist without water. Yes. And this water, it keeps on moving. This water, it keeps on moving in an endless circle, right? मतलब waterfall से waterfall होता है, rain गिरती है, sea होता है, lake होता है. There are different forms, and this water keeps on moving in an endless circle in different forms. और ये कब से water है? Since the earth came into existence, right? कब से है? Since the earth came into existence, right? So here in the first stanza, which I read right now, some people say that I am one thing, others say that I am many. Ever since the world began, I have been moving in an endless circle. Sometimes I fall from the sky, I am the rain. Here in first stanza, the poet Thomas says that people say different things about the forms of water. People, they have different opinion. वो लोग अलग अलग बातें करते हैं फॉर्म्स ऑफ वाटर की, राइट? अब वो क्या बातें करते हैं? People think and talk about different forms of water. Then the poet ever since says, then poet क्या बोलता है? Ever since the world has come into an existence, ever since the world has come into an existence, the water is moving endlessly. And the water which falls from the sky. First stanza में क्या बोल रहे हैं? The water which falls from the sky, right? जो water sky से गिरता है हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Rain. Yes, this form is called rain, right? So in the first stanza, it is describing people say, people have opinion about water, different forms, right? And poet is saying that since the world has begun, water is on earth, right? And here it says when the water falls from the rain, water falls from the sky, it is called rain. Then in the next stanza, it says, sometimes I cascade, I tumble down over the moss covered rocks through the forest shadow. Here in the second stanza, poet says, when the water falls down, water is falling down, or rolls down, or tumbles down, whatever you want to say. When the water falls down, rolls down, or tumbles down over the rocks, जब rocks से पानी गिरता है, which are covered with, ये rocks का किस चीज से covered होती हैं? These rocks are covered with moss, right? Through forest shadow. This form of water is called mountain stream. Second stanza में बोल रहे हैं, second form of water बताया है, and the poet is saying, water which falls down from the rocks, rocks which are covered with moss, right, through forest shadow. This form of water is called as mountain stream. Then in the third stanza, it says, at the foot of the mountains, I leap from the stone cliff. Sprawling, plunging, I am the waterfall. अब ये थर्ड स्टैंजा में एक और फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर बताया है, और वो फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर क्या है? वाटरफॉल. इसमें क्या बताया है? When the water leaps, leaps मतलब when it falls or jumps, whatever. When the water leaps from the stone cliff, stone cliff क्या होती है? A rock, right? तो बोलते हैं जब पानी रॉक से या क्लिफ से नीचे गिरता है, at the foot of the mountains, उस फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर को क्या बोलते हैं? वाटरफॉल. When the water leaps from a water cliff, forcefully it moves down at the foot of the mountain. This form of water is called waterfall. Then in the fourth stanza it says, in the shadows of the mountain, I am still and deep. I fill and overflow. I am the lake. और फोर्थ स्टैंजा में क्या बताया है पोएट ने? पोएट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द लेक. लेक क्या है? लेक में भी पानी होता है. सो नाउ दिस इज अनदर फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर. सो इन द नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा, पोएट कौन है? थॉमस लॉकर. ही इज सेइंग दैट व्हेन द वाटर कलेक्ट्स डाउन, व्हेन द वाटर कलेक्ट्स डाउन, इट इज डीप. जब पानी पूरा कलेक्ट हो जाता है एक जगह पर, तो ऑब्वियसली वो पानी क्या होता है? डीप विद इन तक होता है ना. एंड इट इज स्टिल, क्योंकि कलेक्ट हो जाता है तो ठहरा हुआ पानी होता है. स्टिल मतलब ठहरा हुआ, राइट? सो ही सेइंग दैट व्हेन द वाटर कलेक्ट्स डाउन, इट इज डीप एंड इट इज स्टिल. मीन्स स्टिल मतलब ठहरा हुआ होता है, इट डज नॉट मूव. और जो कलेक्ट वाला पानी होता है ना, इट कलेक्ट्स देयर इन अ लार्ज अमाउंट. So that form of water is called as lake. That form of water is called as lake. देखो इधर बताया, in the shadows of the mountain I am still and deep, and I fill and overflow. I am the lake. हर एक स्टैंजा में पोएट ने डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ वाटर्स बताए हैं. ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर देखो, नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा में क्या बताया है? I wend through broad golden valleys, joined by streams, joined by creeks. I grow ever. I grow ever wider, broader and deeper. I am the river. अब यहाँ पर क्या बता रहे हैं? He's saying that when water comes, अब ये लेक में से पानी, पहला वाला तो लेक था. अब नेक्स्ट बता रहे हैं कि नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा में when the water moves through what? Water moves through broad golden valley. जब पानी वैली में से निकलता है और स्ट्रीम्स को ज्वाइन हो जाता है, स्ट्रीम्स को ज्वाइन होता है, क्रीक्स को ज्वाइन होता है, राइट? स्ट्रीम्स कैसी होती हैं? नैरो होती हैं, राइट? स्ट्रीम्स कैसी होती हैं? क्रीक्स में पानी और स्ट्रीम्स का पानी कैसा होता है? नैरो होती है, राइट? लेकिन अब ये जो पानी लेक में से जो पानी निकलता हुआ, वैली में से जो पानी निकलता हुआ क्रीक्स को और स्ट्रीम को ज्वाइन होता है, तो वो नैरो पानी कैसा हो जाता है? कैसा हो जाएगा? इट बिकम्स वाइडर, इट बिकम्स ब्रॉडर, इट बिकम्स डीपर, राइट? तो जब वाइडर, ब्रॉडर और डीपर हो जाता है तो इट सेज आई एम द रिवर. और वो इट फॉर्म्स व्हाट? इट फॉर्म्स रिवर, राइट? नाउ इट इज सेइंग दिस रिवर. अब ये जो रिवर जो है, अब ये जो रिवर है वो जब मूव करती है, राइट, अब रिवर है तो रिवर क्या करती है, रिवर पासेस, ठीक है। अब रिवर, आई पास थ्रू, saying I pass through a gateway of high stone palisades, leaving the land behind, cool silver moonlight. I am the, just a second. Okay, now in this, what it is saying that when the river passes through, I pass through a gateway of high stones palisades, leaving the land behind, cool silver moonlight. अब यहाँ पे बता रहे, when the river it passes through the gaps. कौन सी gaps? It passes through the gaps of high stone cliffs, है ना? और जब रिवर पास होती है तो पीछे क्या छोड़ती हुई जाती है, लैंड, है ना? दिस फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर इज कॉल्ड सी, राइट। अब ये रिवर का पानी है वो कहां पर जाकर मिक्स हो जाता है, सी में जाकर मिक्स हो जाता है, ठीक है। अब वो सी क्या होता है, विच इज कूल, सी कैसा होता है, विच इज कूल एंड इट शाइन्स इन द सिल्वर मूनलाइट। अब सी जो होता है, व्हाट इट डज, इट शाइन्स इन द सिल्वर moonlight and it waves and sparkles and dances, it waves and sparkles and dances on my waves. अब यहाँ पर नेचुरली है जो सी का पानी होता है वो मून की अगर लाइट उसके पर फॉल होती है तो वो सी का पानी कैसा हो जाता है, शाइन करता है कि नहीं, राइट। एंड बिकॉज इट शाइन्स बिकॉज ऑफ द मून लाइट, और उसकी जो वेव्स होती हैं वो कैसे हो जाती हैं, वो स्पार्कल करती हैं यानी शाइन करती हैं, right, because of moonlight, and they dance on my waves, and they dance. Now this form of water is called as sea, so it says I am the sea. अब sea के बाद क्या होता है, let us see. Drawn upward by warm sunlight in white silver veils, I rise into the air, I disappear. And now it says that अब यहाँ पर जो सी का पानी जो कलेक्ट होता है और वहां पर देन ड्यू टू द वार्म सनलाइट, जब नून में, राइट, ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम जब सनलाइट फॉल होती है उस पर, ड्यू टू द वार्म सनलाइट, नाउ दिस वाटर इज ड्रॉन अपवर्ड। आप लोगों ने जूनियर क्लास में पढ़ा होगा लैंड ब्रीज एंड सी ब्रीज, है ना, राइट। सो व्हेन द सनलाइट इट फॉल्स ऑन द सी वाटर, what happens, water is drawn upward, right, in white silver droplets. अब वो जो पानी ऊपर जो वेपर्स ऊपर जाती है ना, so in drawn upward in white silver droplets in the air, and often sometimes it disappears, और वो vapor which goes upward, the droplets of water which move upwards and soon they disappear, or this forms of water is called as mist. क्या हो जाती है, mist. That form of water is called as mist. Now in this water dance part 2 में it says in thousands of shades I reappear, right, what it says, in thousands of shape I reappear. So in water dance part 2 what it is describing, that in thousands of shapes I reappear high above the earth in the blue sky. I float, I drift, I am the clouds. और वो जो mist जो है, जो अभी हमने बात किया, which disappears, right? It's saying the poet describes the water appears in thousands of forms of water and shapes. अभी हमने पढ़े ना कितने सारे forms हैं water के, right? And there are different shapes, right? Rain का shape, sea का, lake का, river का, right? Different shapes and forms of water. अब high above जो ये mist जो high above जो हो रही है, upward जा रही है, it falls. What happens? Water appears in thousands of forms or shapes high above the earth in the blue sky, and it floats in the air. और वो float करती है in the air. अब फ्लोट कौन सा करता है? दिस फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर इज कॉल्ड cloud. I am the clouds. In thousands of shapes I reappear. High above the earth in the blue sky. I float, I drift. I am the clouds. Now in the next stanza it says, carried by winds from distant seas, I move, growing heavier, growing darker, returning. I am the storm front. What it says in the next stanza, it says that water emerges from distant seas. Obviously, na, पानी कहाँ से emerge होता है? From distant seas it emerges and is carried away by the winds. Winds उसको carry करती रहती हैं. Now while moving, जब पानी wind से move कर रहा होता है, it becomes heavier, darker and returns in the violent forms. It means it is a storm front. What it is? It is a storm front. And then in the next stanza, let us see what it's saying. Next stanza, it says that when it rises up the mountains, right? At the walls of the mountain, I rise up as gleaming power-filled towers in the darkened sky. I am the thunderhead. I'm now saying when it rises up the mountains towards the darkened sky. जब ये पानी जो है ऊपर ऊपर जाता है, mountains के ऊपर से जाता है, it rises up the mountains towards the darkened sky. It looks like brightly shining power-filled towers. It is what? It is thunderhead, right? अब ये जो water जो mountain से ऊपर जब emerge ऊपर जब जाता है, rise up हो जाता है, and it moves towards the dark skies. और जब dark skies से move होता है, जब काले बादल हो जाते हैं तो हम क्या देखते हैं? Lightning भी हो जाती है ना? It looks like brightly shining power-filled towers ऐसा लगता है. और फिर वो form of water कौन सा होता है? That form of water is thunderhead. What it is? Thunderhead. अब next see what it is saying. Next stanza में I blind the sky with lightning. The earth trembles with my thunder. I rage. I drench the mountainside. I am the storm. Now it says that here, and here what does the water do? This form of water, ये जो thunder for storm वाला water वो क्या करता है? This form of water blinds the sky with lightning. और ये thunderstorm water क्या करता है? It blinds the sky with lightning and the whole earth. And what happens? The whole earth starts trembling with thunder. अब lightning के साथ अगर merge हो गया तो क्या हो जाएगा? Thunder ही हो जाएगा. I rage. इधर लिखा है I rage. Rage का मतलब क्या होता है? Shows anger. I rage and also makes the mountain wet. Drench. It is the storm. अब lightning होती है, right? और thunder fall होता है, तो obviously क्या आ जाता है? Storm आ जाता है because it is carried by the wind. And then it says, storm comes, storm pass. I am countless droplets of rain. Left floating in the silent air, I reflect all the colors of sunlight. I am the rainbow. I am many things. I am water. This is my dance through our world. Now here he is saying that when storm comes, अब storm क्या होता है? Storm तो आता जाता रहता है. When the storm keeps coming and going, there are countless droplets of rains which are floating in the air. And when the sunlight passes through, जब rain आती है, right? और suddenly rain जब आ रही होती है, और अगर हमें उस समय sunlight दिखती है, right? So this sunlight, it passes through the droplets of water. अब ये जो sunlight, when it passes through the droplets of water, तो क्या हो जाता है? It reflects. क्या reflect होता है? Sunlight की rays, when it passes through the droplets of water, it reflects and the colors are seen. And these colors are of sunlight. The colors of sunlight are seen. और colors of sunlight फिर क्या form हो जाता है? Rainbow. तो ये rainbow के जो colors हैं, they are the colors of sunlight. है ना? So then he says, I form rainbow. I am the rainbow. In this way, Thomas Locker, the poet, has described different forms of water beautifully and says that water dances through our world. And this way, he's trying to tell us how water is important, right? And how this water dances all through the world. And without water, we cannot exist.